I'm your review guide, and today I'm going to be unboxing a 43-inch LG UP8000. And if at any point during the video you want to go check out this exact same TV, I put Amazon links down below for the US, UK, and Canada, but let's get this thing unboxed. So after we unbox this TV, we're going to be setting it up, and I'm going to be showing you my first impressions. I am rather excited for this TV since it is a new one. It came out in 2021 and is the competitor to the Samsung AU8000, which I did a video already on its older edition, the TU8000. And this one, it's supposed to have the updated Magic Remote, which I am very excited to look at because I wasn't a fan of the other one. It was a little bit too old and dated for my taste. So now that we got this cut open, we're gonna get it unboxed. Getting this thing open. So right on the top, as you unbox this, you get these LG legs to support the TV. Now they are plastic and it looks like they're just gonna clip into the top of it, which might make it less secure. I really prefer screwing it in. And like I said, they are plastic. I was hoping for metal, for $400 for the 43-inch, and they are pretty short, so you're not gonna have much clearance with the TV when you put them in. It also does come with the power cable, and over here we have the setup guide, and that's all that comes at the top of this box. So now that we got that all off the top of this box, we're gonna take a piece of styrofoam out. And in order to get this TV out, we are going to lie this down on the floor so that, because of my clumsiness, I do not break it. So this is how I would recommend taking it out, just so you don't hurt the screen by pulling it out of the top. Okay, so I got this out of the box, and now this is where the new remote is, the new Magic Remote for LG. So let's take a look at that first, because I really hope there was a big design change. Okay, so we're going to be getting the first look at the new LG Magic Remote. It does come with 2 batteries, and it looks like these are actually probably going to be the 2 screws for the stands for the feet for this TV. But here it goes, the new Magic Remote. Okay, I definitely like this design a lot better. The other one, it was an odd shape, and the number pad wasn't my favorite. This one at least looks more modern, more sleek, more minimalistic. Reminds me, actually, if the Samsung remote had a number pad. It's got a nice cutout for your hands back there. That's where the batteries are gonna go in. And it does have, okay, so it has the Google Assistant, Amazon Echo, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, the LG TV channels that they provide you when you buy this TV, as well as Disney Plus. So there's a lot of featured streaming buttons on this TV, which I really do appreciate because I do stream my content. So it looks like the only other things they have in this box are the manuals for the remote, probably a user's guide, and a little cable management, reusable zip tie kind of thing. So those are all the accessories that really come with this LG TV. But now let's get this plastic wrap out of this TV and look at the 2021 UP8000. Did they change the name? On the box it says UP80. On Amazon it says UP8000. But let's get this thing unwrapped. So this is what this TV looks like set up, and if you do want to go check it out, I put Amazon links down below for the US, UK, and Canada. Definitely make sure to check out my channel for the full review, which will be coming very, very soon. But I was your review guide, and I'll see you in the next video.